Hi, my name is Gracie.
And we know it's hard having to use a Chromebook, so today we're going to be teaching you how to use one. First things first, when you are turning on your Chromebook, don't keep pressing the on and off button. It will not turn on and not work for you. Here's an example. This student right here opened the Chromebook and kept smashing the on and off button. Do not do this, it will not turn on. Also, you may not slam on the keyboards. It may damage the keyboards and you might have to pay for it. Here's a video of a person smashing the keyboards. Do not do this, it may break the keyboard.
Down below, you see some icons. They are your app.
Another careful and important rule is you must be very careful with the Chromebook. It is very fragile and easy to break.
You have to be able to know the controls to be able to use a Chromebook.
So now let's talk about the controls and see how to use them.
Controls are an important part of the Chromebook.
First things first, we're going to talk about copy and pasting. Copying and pasting is really easy to do and really fast. To copy, it's Control C, and then to paste, it's Control V.
Another important control is Control plus Shift plus Q to log out of your Chromebook.
For this control, you are supposed to do Control T for a shortcut to open up tabs quickly, and Control Shift plus T to close the tab.
Last and final control is really simple. To edit bookmark, all you need to do is press down and hold the control key. While holding the control key down, press the letter.
And that's all you need to know about the Chromebook. Soon you'll be an expert. Thank you guys for listening. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.